Okay, guys, how we doing? How we doing? How we doing? So, welcome to this channel again. I just want to reiterate what I thought on gold, the gold strategy I talked about. Right? I said in the morning when you wake up, the first thing you want to do is go to your currency strength meter. Right? Check what is the dollar doing. What is the dollar doing against the other currency? So from today, you discover that the dollar is strong. Sorry, is green, is second on the list. I'm using baby pips in case you want to check. You look at market milk dot baby pips. I'll leave this on the description. You can always use it. So you discover that US dollar is strong, right? What should you be expecting on gold? I woke up this morning and gold was just skyrocketing. I was asking what's happening. But normally market moves from one zone one zone to sorry from a zone to another zone. When market moves, it moves from a zone to another zone, right? The market moves from one zone to another zone. Now, what will happen this morning? When this market opened this morning, if you see the line here was marking when it opened today. I discovered that when I woke up around during the New York section was when I came into the market. I discovered that the market was moving, right? So it has actually approached this zone. It's trying to go back again to take liquidity and the rest. So first of all, I wanted to get into this market at this point. You see, there are two zones I did here, right? Market moved from here, so I expected it to come down from here, then come back. These are the two places I expected it to get to before retracing and here. So we'll go to the 15 minutes time frame. We check what happened. When I entered the market, when I came online, the yellow line, the box you're seeing is just showing you from the London section to the Asian section, right? I wanted the market to sell. I was looking for an opportunity to sell, like a candlestick pattern. Fact is that I took this trade here. I took this trade here and also targeted 1:3 as usual, which was supposed to be at the bottom of this. Yeah, I targeted that stuff, but what happened? The momentum was still high, and on normal this candlestick here, looking at it now, I was anxious of entering this trade. Normally, we all as traders we get anxious sometimes. It's not a perfect what's the name? It's not a perfect pin bar. It's not a perfect pin bar. So if you want to look at pin bar, you look at this. This is a pin bar. You know the definition of what a pin bar looks like, right? This a pin bar here on the 15-minute time frame. And again, another thing, it was also closer. I think it was a time frame closer to the next. Like, I don't know how to explain it. It was around I think around 7:45, if I'm not mistaken. Let me use Lagos time, which is the normal time where I am in. Because I know it was, yeah. So around that 8:30, going to 9 a.m. So normally most of the time when I discover that maybe the momentum at which a candlestick was approaching a zone is strong before the time frame ends, it's always good you wait for that time frame to end. Then you check how the momentum in the other time frame will be. So the market took me off before giving another entry in the next zone, right? I told you market moved from zone to zone. So since it broke from here, the 20th tested there. If you go to the 30 minutes time frame, you discover that the moment the pin bar there is more pronounced. So that's why I took the trade and we are still holding it. On a normal, I'm currently at break even. I don't allow my trade work like run too far before I break even. First of all, I check if it has given me. I break even immediately, and once my market has gone to a great extent, I close partials, then I break even, then allow it run. I don't control the market. The market may decide to say he wants to use this fair value gap here to retrace up, because we see the momentum has been strong. But from the strength of the currency, I think it still has a long way to go down. We should go from this zone at least to go and test this zone. Let me remove um, the one that failed, which is this. So I'm expecting it to at least come down to this place, and or even here. I'm watching it. If I see anything that does not go well, I'll definitely close. So what did I say? Removing all this, let me just recap. When you wake up in the morning, the first thing you want to do is check, is the US dollar strong or is it weak? If it is strong, what you are looking for in the market on US on gold, USD, gold dollar is sells. If it is weak, what you are looking on gold dollar is buys. If you check what happened in the market yesterday, the market sold. US dollar was strong, but not that strong. Again, I expected my when I woke up yesterday, where I was looking at was at this zone. It was at this zone, right? But the market came with strong momentum, broke that zone, came down. It was at this pin bar here, right? This pin bar here was when I took the trade. When it moved, I broke even and it took me out of the trade. I didn't enter again. I was angry, left the market. But that's just it. Today it did the same thing. US dollar became stronger than it was yesterday. Still went back to test that zone, then still coming back. For people that do the normal SMC, you say it broke structure here, went back to grab all this liquidity, and we're expecting it to stay fall down. All those things, this necessary. Just use your strategy. When you have your strategy on which you trade gold, the currency strength meter just helps you. It just serves as an additional confluence. Do you understand? So most time, if I have a bias on gold and I come online and I discover that the strength of the currency is not supporting it, I am a bit skeptical. I stay a bit away from the market, except maybe I see strong patterns that are actually telling me to get into the market. So that's it, guys. That's it, guys. I hope I was able to deliver value. From what I said, you wake up in the morning, check the strength, come back, look at where is the next possible resistance, where is the next possible support, where will the market get to, if in case it's not already going in the direction of the of the day of the currency. Because I think there was a day I came online and the market, I've forgotten that day. It was already buying. It was already buying that day. Forgotten that. Let me not go and start using, because let me not use something I can't remember, so I don't make mistake in this video. So maybe any day I wake up in the morning and discover such a pattern, I'll make a video about it. So generally, we are still expecting this market to go down, right? Still expecting it to go down. So you can all keep your tab. You can all check it out and see if it will go. I'm making this video live. It's a live kind of movement. So we expect it to go well. We expect it to go well. It's supposed to be like this. It's a trade of 2:1:3. If I'm not mistaken. Taking on the 15 minutes time. Whew. We expect it to go well. That's it. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. It's all right. Please, for those who have not subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe, share. I'll be dropping insights on my main strategy that I use. As I recommended initially, Nick is not giving me anything, but I encourage people that want to learn Forex. You can always learn from Transparent FX, you can always learn from Elias C. Curve. You can also check Victor out on Telegram. These guys are good, right? So they teach. You can go through their mentorship courses. For now, I've not started any mentorship course. What I'll be doing is giving out free insights on this channel as you watch. learn and apply. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.